Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Um, Hope you're having a nice day.
Yes.
All right, sir. So, I would like you to kindly tell our viewers your business name and also what you deal on here.
Okay. Um. First of all, my business name is Maranatha Investment,
Okay.
and we deal on brake pads, all Japanese brake pads, such as Toyota, Nissan, Honda, Mitsubishi, Hyundai, Kia, and Mercedes. That's what we do. We deal on.
All right, sir. So, do you import these goods or you source it from around the market?
Uh, Presently, I source. We source from the market. I source from the market. We haven't started importing.
Okay, but you have it in mind to import in the nearest future.
Yes, of course. Yes, of course. It's my intention.
All right, sir. So, but you stay within those who import their goods now, right?
Yes.
All right. So, sir, do you have an idea of what these importers, what they encounter while importing their goods, maybe as a result of the government policy, how it affects their importation of goods?
Number one, even it comes in terms of dollar. When you buy dollar, you will buy dollar in on a high rate. Then when you send it for the production, after the production, then the goods will enter Nigeria here. Then when it got to the wharf, the duty they paid there is on a high rate too. So all these things make the both the importation and the goods go high. The price of the goods will be on a high price, on a high rate. You understand?
Yes.
Sometimes due to the high rate of the dollar and the high rate of the, the the clearing of the goods at the wharf, when the goods now reach to us to sell, our customers will be finding it difficult to buy from us due to the prices on a high side. You understand? So this is the issue we are having here. Yeah.
So, sir, what do you think the government can do to solve this problem?
Mm, if you want to ask me, the government supposed to, number one, to make the dollar to come down. You understand? So that we can be able to the little one that is going up can be able to import. You understand? And secondly, and the wharf, the clearing of the goods, the charges that are put in there, they have to make it affordable for us so that the goods will be at a good price, so that our customers will be buying. Because due to the condition, some customers, if you tell them they tell them price, sometimes the price will tell them, they scare them away. You understand? So that's it.
All right. Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome.
Kindly tell us your contact address so that if any of our viewers want to patronize you, they can easily locate you here.
Our address is at B10 Shop 27, Aspanda, Trade Fair, International Market.